one of the core issues in the common minimum program will be encouragement to primary education in Konkani and Marathi and other Indian languages, and discontinuing the grant currently given to the Diocesan Society English medium primary schools. Another core program will be, and that is a speciality of Goa Suraksha Manch and Alliance, that our education to girls and boys will be free up to the college level. And another first time promise to Goans is will restrict the number of ministers in the cabinet, and eventually will establish a administrative reforms commission to suggest how to reduce the expenditure on government. This may include reduction in the number of corporations.
MOI issue हो पयलीं पासून आसा, आतांचो न्हय, जुनो इश्यू. आनी भाशेचो कसलोच मुद्दो घेवचो न्हय म्हणून सुप्रीम कोर्टान घातला. त्या खातीर आमी सद्या भाशे विशीं, शिक्षणा विशीं, भाशेचेर संवर्धन कशें करतले ह्याचेरूच आमी लक्ष दिलां. जो एक्टांत प्रोविजन आसा, जे ह्युमन रिसोर्स डिपार्टमेंट सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट सांगता त्या प्रमाणे आमी वतले. आमचे कडेन 200-500 कोटी रुपया मागतले तेन्ना आमी कितें करपाचें, हो प्रश्न म्हजो आसा. हांव थिंक डीप करता, म्हजें थिंकींग हें डीप आसता. हो विशय आतां जो विशय आसा तांकां बरी चावी मारून तांकां मोकळें करूं येता, आनी तें करतलो हांव जशें म्हाका दिसता तशें. एट दीस स्टेज इट इज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. तुमी जर शिफ्ट करपाक गेले आसात ते कोर्टां वतले आनी कोर्टांत ते स्टे हाडटले. वी हॅव डिसायडेड that 1 chief minister and 8 cabinet ministers will be there in our cabinet, which are very important. We will also allow our MLAs to study each and every aspects of the rules and regulation, business rules, then acts, and also financial rules, which are very important to have good administration.
So you will have 9 members.
9 members. At initial stage, we will be having 9 members.
Instead of 12.
Instead of 12.